Ireland 26, Australia 23, and I can see the big man and captain making his way over to join Clare Macnamara. Clare.
Paul O'Connell, Ireland captain and man of the match. Congratulations, a huge performance and a huge result for Ireland.
Yeah, it was a great win. We got off to a great start, but unfortunately allowed them back into the game with some poor defending. But they're a very good side. They're very fast, they're very powerful. They're coming off the Rugby Championship where they're playing high intensity games, and we struggled a little bit with that in the last 20 minutes of the first half, but I felt we were really good in the second half. Our D was far better. We got off the line a lot far better and put them under a bit of pressure, but they're a great side and they scored some fantastic tries.
Huge commitment from Ireland to keep them at bay, though. They're so dangerous.
Yeah, they're incredibly dangerous. They've speed, they've power, and they've size, and as we said during the week, they're very clever as well. So it was great D from our guys, and yeah, it's a brilliant win against a really good side.
Did you learn from last year against New Zealand to stick with it right up until the 80+ minutes?
Yeah, something we haven't done well. We haven't finished games very well, so to have kept them out in a tight game, to have kept the team as good as that out in a really tight game is satisfying. We'd have preferred to have won our set pieces when we went down there and made it a bit easier on ourselves, but it was great to keep them out.
And you've beaten a second Southern Hemisphere side in a month now. This puts Ireland in a really strong position with the World Cup to come.
It doesn't. It's a bit of improvement from the summer, I think, which we really wanted. We probably backed up our performance against South Africa, which we wanted as well. So unfortunately now we break up, we go to our provinces, a very intense period with the European Cup, and we got to come back up and come back together and pick it up again in the Six Nations.
Well, congratulations on your man of the match performance. Peter Coyle is here to make the presentation.